Hey everyone, this is Chris from C&A's Try It. Today we're going to be doing an outside project. It's a real simple one. We're going to be changing out an exterior outlet cover with something that's going to provide a little bit more room for extension cords that are really thick and they stick out. So stick around, I'll show you what I got. I decided to go with an extra duty outlet cover that I picked up at Lowe's. What's great about these little guys is the protective cover is deep, which allows the plug to be fully enclosed. Here you can see one of my existing outlet covers. They're part of the original build of the house. I don't particularly like them simply because I use extension cords a great deal. When the covers are open, it leaves the plug more exposed to the elements than I like. This particular cover is made of high-impact non-metallic plastic. I like it because in my head, electricity and metal, they just don't play well together. Besides the depth, now you're going to notice that it has two sets of hinges. It's versatile for both vertical and horizontal applications. The back of the box has a rubber gasket that helps seal it to the house. It's an additional protective measure that keeps moisture outside of the box. Now inside of the box, you will find a variety of outlet templates. Your existing plugs will determine which of them is needed. Most of them you won't use. Now, they have also included some screws, hinge plugs, and a cord seal. Okay, we'll begin by configuring the box for traditional rounded outlets. We need to combine the box template with the rounded insert. Notice the little pegs at each corner when you flip it over. Simply line up the holes and snap it into place. Now we'll take that completed piece and add it to the box. Line it up like a puzzle piece and snap it into place like before. Now you probably noticed that my outlet wasn't vertical. If this is the case, we need to do some quick modifications. Remove the plugs on the top hinges. Note, they can be difficult to loosen. But once that's completed, take the new set of hinge plugs and snap those into place. The last step on the box is to change out the cord door seal. Take some trusted pliers and simply pull out the horizontal side. Yes, mine took a little bit more of a tug, but it came out pretty easy. Now then insert the new door to close off the vertical side, and then you'll be ready to start your installation outside. Warning, please be smart and safe. Always cut the electricity before you start your work. Now that we're outside, let's get started with the project. Unplug any existing cords and grab yourself an appropriate sized screwdriver. Remove the existing outlet cover and any foam or unnecessary debris that you might find. For the outlet cover that I'm using, it's actually required that you remove the screws from either side of the outlet. Insert both screws into the appropriate holes that line up with the outlet itself. The final step is to align the screws with the openings and tighten them down. If you choose, you can take it a step further by applying exterior caulk around the cover. This would benefit the existing gasket for even longer lasting protection. With this project completed, we just need to plug in a cord. Notice the padlock ring at the bottom. A nice added feature. This can protect others from tampering with your cords. That's it, folks. This is a simple project that not only protects your home, but it looks pretty good too. Thanks for watching and check back for future videos. Goodbye and God bless.